Most people know that premium AI tools can be expensive. Official plans can cost a lot, which makes them difficult for students, creators, and beginners to afford. That's exactly why I'm offering a much more affordable way to get started. You get access to a Gemini Ultra plan with 25,000 credits for 1 month, and the official price is around $250, but my offer is available for just $12 for 1 month. This is for people who want to seriously work on cinematic AI videos, high-quality image generation, creative experiments, and faster content production. You can generate videos with voice, create cinematic scenes, and use Nano Banana Pro absolutely free, 0 credits used. With these credits, you can explore advanced AI workflows, test creative ideas, and create professional-looking outputs without spending the full official cost. The account comes with minimum 1-month validity, and you can extend it anytime. You can change the email password, meaning the account becomes fully personal and secure. For creators, students, freelancers, and AI enthusiasts, this is one of the easiest ways to start using premium tools at a low entry price. And yes, this is a limited offer. I'm keeping the slots limited, so only serious buyers should message. If you want details, proof, and full information, contact me directly on WhatsApp. I'll share everything clearly before you decide. So if you are serious about AI content creation in 2026, whether it's YouTube videos, realistic visuals, or learning premium AI tools, message now on the WhatsApp number in the description. Don't wait too long. Once the available slots are filled, the offer is gone.